Lewis, and this is another 60-second photography tip brought to you by Focus Camera. Today I'm going to teach you guys a little tricks and tips so you can use for portrait photography. The first tip that I have for you guys is to use a lens with a maximum aperture of 2.8 or faster. And the reason why you want to do that is because you want to get a nice shallow depth of field, so that way your image is focused on your subject and nothing else. The second tip that I have for you guys is to get close to your subject, and I mean that literally and figuratively. You want to be able to build that rapport with your subject so they can feel more comfortable when you're taking pictures, but you also want to fill the frame with as much of the image as possible. And the last tip that I have for you guys is to focus on the eyes. They say the eyes are the windows to the soul, so you really want to be able to focus on the eyes. You connect your subject with your viewer.